Hey, it's Eddie, Multi-Man Services. We're at Cross Creek Condo Associations here in Rockford, Illinois. It's July 8th, and we're doing a quick walk around here to double check the gutter systems, how we can improve them, make sure that they're functioning, working properly. So this is the first video I filmed on this property here. I just wanted to take a moment to thank you for having us out here. So as you can see, we use video to more effectively communicate with our customers. Everybody's busy running around. So this video is going to serve, and future videos, the exact scope of work that my crew will watch just before they get out to do the work, and so that we're all on the same page and what we're going to do, what we're not going to do. So we're initially called out here to do some gutter cleaning and downspout adjustments. So totally cool. We'll get some options for that. Pretty standard. Get the debris out of the gutters, buckets, power washers, leaf blowers. Make sure that the place is cleaner than we found it, and make sure we do a water drainage flush so that we can see everything's coming out appropriately. But let me flip this camera around briefly and kind of talk a little bit about the gutter systems, the roofing systems, from my perspective, what I'm seeing, and potentially what could be done on this building and other multiple buildings around here to add longevity to the gutter system, the roofing systems. And we're a proactive maintenance first company. Replacements is always an option, but at the end of the day, I'm not a big fan of contributing to a rip and replace disposable roofing economy. So we take care of our customers' properties really well here. Let's flip the camera around. Okay, so I'm seeing a downspout here on 143. I'd like to get this exchanged out with the black corrugated drain tile so that it meets out past the trim here, the landscaping edging. I can see that there's been a repair done on the shingles, and pretty obvious from the street, all those shingles can be cleaned. The shingles are full of an organic matter, it's the Glioxapsomagma that's feasting on the limestone in the shingle. And back in the day, before 2012, they didn't really put pulverized crushed limestone inside of the shingle mixtures, but now they remove 30% less asphalt. They make the products completely different. They put whipped air inside of the asphalt to make the product fulfill a different thickness. And so, not throwing anybody under the bus, but what we can do is, instead of ripping and replacing it, we can actually make sure that the product on your roof lasts as long as possible by reintroducing more oils into the shingle. This is the downspout here. I'm not too terribly excited about how far it comes out. It's probably terribly annoying for the and then when I was here earlier, I saw a ton of debris that was right in here, so I got that removed. So what we're going to do is we're going to put downspout filters in the gutters here. Oh, that's the wrong building. Oh, that's the right one. Weatherman action here. We're gonna make sure that no debris gets down to the downspouts, and then the corrugated drain tiles are not going to have any debris in them any longer. They'll stay in the gutters when we clean them up. We'll strategically plan that out just before a landscaping company in the fall get all the buildings cleaned out appropriately. But sometimes we need like a maintenance clean, an in-between clean, so we usually collect that and get all that cleaned up appropriately so it's not laying in your grass. There's a few spots where we have your original spike and ferrule style brackets that hold the gutter up that are kind of backing their way out. So we pound those back in, and if it's kind of spongy and bouncy, we'll pull it out, put it in a new hole, and that should allow for that downspout gutter, to stay on your house. So what we're also going to do is, when we're on the home doing the gutter cleaning, we're going to trim back these trees as far as we can. We carry 12 foot powered tree trimmer. We can trim anything that's like around an inch, maybe an inch and a half if it's soft wood, and we'll drop all those branches, usually collect them by your tree here, and when your landscapers come here, they can get rid of these scrubs and all the bushes, so you don't have to hire a separate service company to trim all these branches up. So that'll be a good value add. So we're going to encourage gutter cleaning. Most of these downspouts here are in reasonable condition. I like the way they're set up. They're right at the edge of the landscaping edging there. Some of these will have to be pulled off and shaken so that we can get all that debris out. So if in the event some of these are mangled and nasty and dented, we're just going to go ahead and replace it. And if it's not functional, we'll just replace it. These things cost $7.50. So they're cheap at Menards. You can step on them, you can kick them. They're going to be a long-lasting alternative to an aluminum gutter that'll just dent the next time it gets kicked or stepped on. So otherwise, you're in good shape there. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we look forward to helping you out in future projects.